Hello, I'm Phil Svitek, and in this lesson, I want to give you something very basic that's almost so simple and idiotic, and yet most people don't do it. And that's to write things down. David Allen, who's a guru of just kind of teaching people how to get things done, has a great notion that the mind is fantastic at coming up with ideas, not so good at keeping them. And I think therein lies the problem. We always give ourselves too much credit of like, I'll remember that. And especially if creatives, we're thinking of thousands of things a day solving for creative problems or even life problems potentially. And so we do ourselves a huge disservice by not actually writing down the things that are good for us. And what I like to do is I like to keep a very small pocket-sized notebook whenever I go. That way, it doesn't matter whether I'm in the movies, doesn't matter where I'm in that car or in a meeting or wherever else, I can always pull this out. Now, of course, you could say, well, I can use my phone and things like that, but just a couple of the places that I mentioned, sometimes like if you go to check your phone, whether it be a movie theater or let's say a meeting, sometimes that, that's going to come off certainly as rude, especially like in a movie theater. But a small like little notepad, and I'm talking about like a flip book thing that's like really small, and you can just write things down, and people are a lot less forgiving because like when you're taking notes, especially like let's say you're in a meeting environment, it's all good. No one's going to be like, oh, what are you doing? You're not paying attention. It's like, oh, you're just taking notes. That's cool. So please, I know this is a very simple message, but write things down. Trust me, you will see the value in doing so. And if you do, please, I encourage you to comment below so we can start to kind of really figure out, at least anecdotally, how much this has helped. And also, if there's ways that you have of keeping notes that are beneficial, by all means, let me know. Maybe that's you keep a notebook everywhere. I don't know, but please, let's help everybody by writing that stuff in the comment section. Anyway, bye.